Welcome to our journey in tackling one of the world's most pressing issues, poverty. During the ACT project and its series of workshops entitled, Let's Act Together for a Better World, in Romania, the Fundația Ecologică Green organization embarked on a mission to understand and combat poverty. During the workshops, Romanian students exchange ideas with students from Denmark, Italy, and Greece. Romanian students and teachers conducted extensive research, analyzing global trends and studying successful poverty alleviation projects. Students chose Sustainable Development Goal 1, No Poverty, aiming to ensure that all people have access to basic necessities such as food, shelter, clean water, education, and healthcare. This goal is crucial for creating a more equitable and sustainable world. To promote understanding and action, students organized various activities, including workshops, seminars, film screenings, and panel discussions. These activities provided students with a deeper insight into the complexities of poverty and inspired them to take action. Students created interactive Canva presentations, making the information on poverty visually engaging and accessible. This collaborative effort enhanced their understanding and ability to communicate the importance of Sustainable Development Goal 1, No Poverty. Students leveraged social media, particularly Instagram, to reach a wider audience, especially the youth. The campaign aimed to raise awareness and encourage young people to join the fight against poverty. The impact of students' efforts was profound. Students not only learned about poverty, but also developed empathy and a sense of responsibility to act. Our project brought together diverse perspectives, enriching the learning experience. Students continued to spread awareness through various channels within their school community and beyond. The materials are integrated into the curriculum, ensuring ongoing education about the SDGs. Check some of our awesome moments during the workshops. The decision FEG, focus on SDG 1, No Poverty, is significant for several reasons. Upholding human rights. It represents a commitment to fundamental human rights. Foundation for sustainable development. It lays a crucial foundation for sustainable development. Global impact. It aims to make a global impact by addressing the multifaceted nature of poverty. Measurable progress. It allows for effective measurement of progress. Promoting equity. It promotes equity and empowerment. Long-term sustainability. It ensures long-term sustainability. By choosing SDG 1, the FEG students demonstrate their dedication to alleviating poverty and creating a more equitable, prosperous, and sustainable world for everyone. As mentioned, to achieve realistic and positive outcomes, the FEG students and their teachers conducted several activities. Interactive Canva presentations. Created dynamic and visually appealing presentations used during workshops, so to enhance engagement and retention of key concepts related to poverty. Instagram campaign. Launched an online campaign to raise awareness among the youth about SDG, so to reach a large audience, especially the youth, with visually compelling content. School community activities. Organized workshops, seminars, short film screenings, and panel discussions to promote understanding and action on the No Poverty SDG, so to cater to different learning styles and interests, providing a comprehensive and immersive learning experience. By strategically leveraging these materials, awareness about SDG 1 can be effectively spread within the school community and beyond, contributing to a broader movement towards poverty eradication and sustainable development. Join us in this global movement to end poverty. Together, we can make a difference. Let's create a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Thank you for watching. These campaigns have been made possible with the support of ACT Project. For more information, visit ACT Project's website or follow us on social media.